Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the stamp set Praiseworthy Prose and the detailed Peacock dies. Normally I feature a bundle or just one stamp set, but I'm using these two products together. And if you're looking for inspiration using the Peacock dies and the stamp set, I do have an online class that is for sale right now. And it will be going back into the vault September 30th. So if you want some inspiration, head over to my blog, sunstampin.com. These are the two inks that I'm using. I said Granny Apple Green and Pretty Peacock. This brush is not sold by Stampin' Up! If you wanted to, I've had people ask me, because I did a video on this like last week, what was the brand name, that sort of thing. Doesn't matter. If you Google toothbrush handled makeup brushes, you will find a selection of these makeup brushes. They're about $10 or $11 Canadian, and they're pretty fantastic. They come in many different sizes, and yeah, for about 10 bucks. So anyway, this is how I clean them, just with a baby wipe, rubbing them until no ink comes off, and I set them in a cup to dry. So basically what I'm going to do is die cut that Whisper white stamping paper with my Peacock feather. But first I'm going to use this Sizzix adhesive. So I know that Stampin' Up! Used to sell something like this, they used to sell this, but they don't anymore, I should say. And you can, you don't have to put any kind of adhesive on the bottom. You could just use your tape runner, you could put glue, you could make a Xyron sticker maker, whatever. So I've adhered my feather, and now I'm using StazOn ink. And I really like StazOn ink for these red rubber stamps because I get a very nice crisp impression. The sentiment says cheerful, full of cheer, in good spirits. And these are the Peacock rhinestones. I hear they're back ordered right now because they're so popular, but they will be coming back into stock. I have two different examples of this card. You tell me which one you like, the feather pointing up or the feather pointing down. Thanks so much for hanging with me, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are two more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.